Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. This is annoying me. This was a blackhead and leave a black spot in my face. Jeez. What do you say? What you doing? What you eating? He's still eating his breakfast for the past 2 hours. Anyway, you guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. How are you guys doing? It's another day to be thankful and give Almighty alive to give Almighty thanks to be alive. Okay, it is raining outside. Cats and dogs, Tyler, don't mess me up please. It is raining and it's time to pull out the long sleeves because it's chilly outside. It's October what, 20 something, 26, 27, 28, somewhere there. You guys, my back splash. It's raining like crazy outside, and we still have to go out because we need to get things done. So we're getting ready to head out to go to the supermarket. We don't have much to get today because we went shopping just a few days ago, but I still have to do my little weekly runs, so we're gonna do that right now. Baby's over there getting ready. Hi honey, can you say morning to the faves?
Hi guys, and good morning, Saturday morning, and happy weekend everybody. Yeah, that's gonna be a rainy weekend here, but have a lot to do. I just take stuff and supermarket things first and different things after, so yeah, it's gonna be a busy.
Yeah, I think we're also going to the furniture store just to get some business handled. So yeah, we are heading out right now on this rainy day.
After supermarket, where we going?
We're going Conforama.
To get what?
I'm not sure as yet. Is that okay with you?
The candle?
Cado? No, not cado.
I want candle for Christmas.
Yes, you are going to get cado for Christmas, but it's not time to buy it as yet. What do you want for Christmas?
Candle.
Yeah, but what cado do you want? What do you want in the cado?
Moto.
Moto? Okay, Mama can get that for you. Okay? Mama gonna.
And the white and the black one.
Okay, I can get that for you Christmas. All right, and we're gonna put up the Christmas tree soon, right?
Okay.
You're excited for Christmas?
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, you guys, we are heading out right now. Hopefully you guys have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. We love you guys, and let's go out to run some errands. Everything is for Christmas for him. I guess he's feeling the Christmas vibe. Yes, it's for Christmas. That too. Where did this bag come from? You guys, look what I found. Jackfruit. Oh my god, but they're so little.
Mama?
Yes, baby? I can't buy this. They're too young. And plum. Oh my god. Oh, June plum. Oh my god. Plum. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I don't even care how much for it. I just need it. Oh my god. I can't believe I find plum. Is this a joke? If I see how it looks? This? Oh no, no, this is heaven right now. Just me. I've never been more excited. Oh my gosh, I find June plum. I ain't gonna buy this jackfruit. It smells good, but they're too little. Look! No? You guys, busy. I never thought I would see this in a million years. Man. And sweet sop and sour sop.
Aloe vera is called.
That is aloe vera. Not this. This is sweet sop. And this is sour sop. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Alright, let me go. Stop, don't move. Okra. That's okra, you know okra?
Okra winter?
Stop, baby. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, give this to Papa. Here. Okra, but I'm not a fan of okra. And you have dasheen and yam, cassava. I want plantain. Ooh, plantain just arrived. We're waiting on plantain. Fresh plantain. Plantain, get back behind you. You guys are selling banana leaf. That's so cool, okay? So I found a fish that doesn't look too bad. I don't even know what kind of fish it is. And then I got plum. I got some green plantains, pineapple, apple, cucumber, ripe plantain, and ginger. I never really show you guys where we go to the supermarket. It's like on a little mall. Yeah, school is on vacation now. And then you have restaurants in here. You have jewelry store over there. You have hair store. Tella forever says hungry when he's passing this restaurant because we go there sometime. When we reach home, you get food, okay? When you reach home, come on, let's go. Chop chop. And the supermarket is this big, from all the way up there, come all the way down here. Yeah. Oh, whoa, you guys look at this. We're washed out. Can't see nothing. Oh my gosh. It's raining like crazy. So we're going home right now. We're not even gonna finish running our errands because I know you're hungry. That's why we're going home to get food, okay? To open it?
Yes.
Who sent bag for you?
Yes.
Tata Nunu?
Papa, c'est Tata Nono.
Oui, c'est Tata
Dis
Nono.
merci Tata Nunu.
Merci Tata Nono.
Your Christmas is early, okay? It's birthday.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's open it.
Wait, stand right here. Go like this. The Messi Tata Nono.
Messi Tata Nono.
You like your bike?
Yes, I want to open it.
Okay, we're gonna open it right now. You guys, on this rainy day, Tyler is getting gifts all day. He got a gift earlier in the mail that came from one of my... This one he got. Papa doing it? He just got this one in the mail from my eldest sister-in-law, and then this one just this one came. He's getting late birthday gifts. Yeah, that's your bike. You're excited. So Tyler finally gonna have a real bike, so he's pretty excited about that. But it's still raining, and I made fritters for dinner, and we all ate and we're all full, so it's just gonna be relaxing for the rest of the day because it's just raining and it's after the night. It's after 6, so we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day. Comment down below and let me know what you guys having for dinner and what your weekend is like. Look where you're going. Look where you're going. Come.
Want to make a sunset out goes to
Najee
Nadji
and
and
Miss Millicent.
Miss
So
Mason.
thanks for watching, family.
Thanks for watching, family.
Love you guys.
Love you guys. See you tomorrow.